Hi guys, it's me, Emily, the Minimalist Mama, and we're here another Saturday, another day working in this laundry room that I'm still organizing. But today, as part of this laundry room project, I'm going to work on going through my Christmas stuff so that I can get this closet all set up. If you have Christmas stuff that you need to declutter, give this video a thumbs up. And let's get busy.
With some bacon, it's gonna taste.
What I want to do today,
Me?
what I want to do today is decorate for Christmas.
Yes. I love decorating Christmas. Yeah. Especially with those long liney things you buy.
Yeah.
You can go up here in the kitchen because
Yeah.
there's lots of things to hold it up.
That's what I was thinking too.
Wonderful, wonderful day. Wonderful, wonderful day of the year.
So my first step is to take everything out of the hallway closet. It's chock full of Christmas decorations, and I've been storing some Christmas decorations here and then some in the laundry room closet, which you can see in a couple videos back when I tackled the laundry room.
But all of that stuff.
So step one was taking everything out of here and just seeing what we had all together. Oh, an ornament.
Here, Mom puts all the stuff. And here's me. As you can see, I'm showing you a video of Mom. So,
In the closet.
I'm sure that you had a great video of Mom taking out all the stuff out of the closet. Thank you. The end.
A lot of Christmas stuff. I'm pretty sure that there was at least a whole box that I didn't use at all last year. So I think there's plenty here we can get rid of this year. But maybe not my Harry Potter ornaments. Last year I also made a ton of ornaments, including a whole bunch of Harry Potter themed ones. These little trees I made a very long time ago, and they were really cute, but they've gotten very smashed. So I think I'm ready to get rid of these. Although part of me, no, they're really glued on. Okay, just let it go. Let it go. As part of this laundry room project, I'm going to work on going through my Christmas stuff so that I can get this closet all set up. So I want to have all my holiday decor in this closet, which means that I really need to go through and pare down this Christmas stuff. Considering that this tote lid won't even shut, I'm thinking that there's definitely some stuff in here I need to get rid of. But first, I'm going to focus on another DIY project, this little paper tree thing. I think I'm finally ready to get rid of this. I'm just not into this shabby chic kind of style anymore. Ugh, okay. So dusty. My llama mugs. These spark great joy. Another thing that sparks great joy are these twisted peppermint candles from Bath and Body Works. Oh, it's heavenly. Can't wait to start burning these. My stockings that I made last year. My Pottery Barn style stocking and my Anthropology stocking. I'll link the DIY videos for these in the cards and down below. Here's another DIY. It's really cute garland. I made this a million years ago with newspaper and scrapbook paper and ribbon. Literally, I think I made this the first year we were married and we had no money. And they're kind of sentimentally attached to it. But I also know it's a little worse for wear. After that much decluttering, it was already time for a coffee break, aka coffee in my hot chocolate. The holidays this year definitely are not feeling all jolly. I don't know about you, but there's a lot of weight of expectations for a perfect Christmas, plus political strife, and the never-ending list of things that still need to be done. So to help me and you all focus on what really matters, I created the Simply Christmas Journaling Worksheet. Because more than ever before, we really need the message of Christmas this year. So I'll share a little bit more about that at the end of this video. Okay, so in here I have this hanging with some pine cones on it. I really love. I definitely want to keep that. Definitely keeping my pom-pom DIY wreath. I think I could get rid of that one. All of our stuff is super dusty still from when we worked on our hallway and stairs and redid the walls and ceiling in there. So there was a lot of plaster, lath, and drywall dust. And I'm still cleaning it up this many months later. Okay, so this is all the stuff I'm pretty sure I'm keeping. You can see that's a pretty big box right there. So what I want to do is get some more clear plastic totes like this, pretty much that same size. Then I can have one tote of random holiday decorations. That's gotta be random and fall, and then Christmas that I can put on these two shelves. And maybe stack one on the floor here and put the Christmas trees on top of it. But is it gonna take 3 or 4? That is the question. So this is actual trash, this whole bag. And then here I've got stuff for the consignment store, stuff to donate, stuff to sell, attempt to sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's a whole lot of stuff. I did indulge in buying a new Christmas tree to be my Harry Potter Christmas tree. I'll post a link to my Harry Potter Christmas tree videos down below. But I'm really excited to have a tree that all my ornaments will actually fit on.
Okay.
Leave it there.
Hi. Okay. Be all sassy. What in all is a fox? Oh, a box? A fox? There's fox. And there's dots. My tree looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's your handprint.
Yeah, from a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
But now my is so much better. And one of my fingers isn't even in it. Hat. My name.
Yeah.
My name.
Pretty?
Cookie.
What does it do? Twinkle. Okay, it's another day and we are back to decorating. Now that I've sorted all my Christmas decorations, I got some new clear totes to store them in. We're going through and putting them up, and this is actually going to help me know if there's anything more that I can declutter. If there's things that I realize I really don't have a place to put anymore, then I know now is the time I can let those go. You can probably tell my Christmas decorating this year is pretty relaxed and pretty simple. I guess I realized from going through my Simply Christmas Journal worksheets last year that really what matters more to me is the fun that we have decorating than having a picture perfect looking house. I'm doing really well so far at not redecorating and just letting things go.
Look at the snowy town.
Yeah. Oh, I like that one. Yeah. And a lot of Okay, so Simply Christmas worksheets, what are they? I originally created these as a series of 12 questions that you'd ask over 12 days, but I've kind of restructured it this year, and I've also made it free because 2020, right? So this is a tool that will help you reflect on what you really want this Christmas to look like. And in particular, what you need to say no to this year. Maybe it's overspending or overscheduling or expectations. And really discovering what would lead to the most joy. This holiday season, we won't let worry steal our wonder. So to download your free worksheet, just click on the link that's down below. You can download that, and then starting next Friday, I will be here with a video for you. So we'll have a little mini digital retreat together every Friday, the 27th through the 11th.
Yeah, Mom goes putting up a Christmas wreath.
That's all I have, so be sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you next Friday. And in closing, I'm just going to leave you with this video of my boy's reaction to watching the Polar Express.
There's no tracks for that train.
That's true.
This is a rectangular ring. Because trains can't go anywhere without tracks. Doo-doo.